guys, today I'm going to show you a quick way to determine your bra size at home. Yes, this is a national issue because if you cannot walk around in the wrong shoe size, what makes you think it's okay to walk around in the wrong bra? Yeah? Yes, the things you need are a tape measure and your breast, obviously. Let's get right into the video. I'd like you to understand that there are a few factors that affect the sizes of your bra, and these are the cut of the bra, the brand you are dealing with, the fabrics that the bra is made of, or whether you gain weight, you lose weight, you are pregnant. All of those things can affect the size of your bra, and your bra sizes can change through time, like it fluctuates. Is that a word? Like it keeps changing. Bra sizes are not static. Okay, right. But then if you're in Ghana, don't forget to shop Girlhub. We are at Hatcho opposite Fidelity Bank. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. Okay, let's go. So the first thing we are going to do is to measure your band size. Your band is under your breast. Here, this is your band. So this is how you measure it. It will be better if you let someone measure you. If you have someone at home, you can let them measure you. But if you don't have anyone like me, you can measure it yourself. So there you go. My band size, as you can see over there, is 28. But if your band size is 27, you run it over to the nearest even number. So if it was 27, I would have made it 28. But right now it's 28, so we are cool. If it's 29, you make it 30. You bob. Yeah. The next thing is to measure your cup size. This is your cup size. Okay. This is your band size. This is your cup size. So let's quickly measure the cup size. My cup size is 36. 36. Kindly note that if you're going to measure yourself, do not wear a padded bra, because a padded bra will only add up to your size and you don't want that. So you would have to wear a bra like this that is completely not padded. Okay, but then if you are looking for a bra like this or padded or whatever kind of bra you're looking for, Girlhub is the place. Okay, we are at Hatcho opposite Fidelity Bank. Check us out. Okay, next. Now you subtract your band measurement from your cup measurement. Your cup is also referred to as your bust. So in my case, my band was what, 28, and then my cup measurement is 36. So 36 minus 28, that gives us 8. Now we have to refer to the bra size chart calculator. Let's see what alphabet 8 is. On the bra size chart, 1 is A, 2 is B, 3 is C, 4 is D, in that order. So 8 on the bra size chart calculator is H. Okay, so you take the letter H and your band size, so 28H. So that is your bra size. Okay, so the figures in front of the bras all the time is just your band size. Okay, and the A, B, C, D that you see attached to the sizes are your cup sizes. So this is pretty easy. Everyone can do it at home. Don't get confused. Your bra size is simply the difference between your band and your bust. Okay, it's nothing too serious. Measure yourself, and if you're looking for a good bra, like I said, check out Girlhub. There's something called sister sizing in bra. Okay, sister sizing are sizes that have the same cup capacity but different band size. Okay, don't be confused. Let me give you an example. Somebody that wears a 32C could also wear 30D or 34B, depending on if you want your bra tight or loose. But the catch is you have to know your true bra size before you can attempt sister sizing. Okay, I hope this helps you. If you learned anything from this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Don't forget to shop Girlhub. Okay, Girlhub.